हेलो चिल्ड्रन, आज इस लेक्चर में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे सॉल्ट्स। द फर्स्ट हेडिंग इज आयंस प्रेजेंट इन सॉल्ट्स एंड देयर सॉल्यूशंस। सॉल्ट definition: a salt is a compound formed by partial or complete replacement of the replaceable or ionizable hydrogen ion of an acid. Okay students, so according to this definition, salt is a compound and it is formed due to partial or complete replacement. Okay, partial means not for all. Partial or complete replacement of the replaceable ionizable hydrogen ion of an acid. Okay students, so it means that in an acid all the hydrogen atoms are not replaceable or ionizable. In an acid all the hydrogen atoms are not replaceable. Okay students, second thing, at the time of salt formation it is not always compulsory that all replaceable hydrogen atoms should be replaced. Okay students, so 2 points you keep in your mind, that in an acid all the hydrogen atoms cannot be replaceable. It is conditional only. For example, in H3PO3 there are 3 hydrogen atoms present in per molecule of this acid. The name of this acid is phosphorus acid. So 3 atoms of hydrogen are there per molecule, but only 2 are replaceable or ionizable. Okay students, so it is not always compulsory that all hydrogen atoms which are present in a molecule of an acid are replaceable. Okay, and second thing, at the time of salt formation all replaceable hydrogen atoms cannot be replaced or replaced. This is again conditional. Okay, so hydrogen ions of an acid by a metallic ion or ammonium ion. Okay, so replaceable hydrogen atoms when replaced by metallic ion or ammonium ion, then the compounds which are formed are known as salts. Okay students, so this is the definition of salt. For example, NaOH when reacting with H2SO4 is forming NaHSO4 plus H2O. Okay students, so H2SO4, which is an acid having 2 replaceable hydrogen ions, but here in this reaction just 1 hydrogen ion is replaced by Na, which is a metallic ion, Na plus metallic ion, and it means partial replacement of hydrogen atoms of sulfuric acid. Okay, so this type of salt will form which is having 1 hydrogen ion here, and in second case same acid is reacting with same base forming Na2SO4. So here in this case all the replaceable hydrogen atoms or ions of acid are replaced. Okay, so here complete replacement and here partial replacement. Now a salt is an ionic compound which dissociates to yield a positive ion other than hydrogen ion. So salt after dissociation form a positive ion other than hydrogen ion and a negative ion other than hydroxyl ion or OH minus ion. Okay students, for example NaCl, which is a salt in aqueous solution condition after dissociation forming Na plus and Cl minus. So Na plus is the different positive ion from H plus and Cl minus is different negative ion from OH minus. Okay students, so this salt NaCl is formed when this salt is formed when HCl reacted with NaOH. Okay students, so HCl after dissociation will produce H plus and Cl minus ion, and NaOH will produce Na plus and OH minus ion. So this Cl minus will join to Na plus and give rise to NaCl salt under neutralization reaction. Then second heading is types or classification of salts. So this classification is going to very important for you all. Okay, you just try to learn and differentiate the type of salts. Try to learn the examples and differentiation of the type of salts. So first is acidic salt. So acidic salt, the salts formed by partial replacement of the replaceable hydrogen ion. Partial replacement. Okay, whereas normal salts are formed by complete replacement of replaceable hydrogen ion. Okay, so this is the difference between acidic salt and normal salt. In acidic salt, partial replacement of replaceable hydrogen ion of an acid, and here complete replacement of replaceable hydrogen ion of an acid. Example, NaOH with H2SO4 forming NaHSO4, sodium bisulfate. So due to the presence of this H ion here, this salt will be known as acidic salt, and this is formed due to the partial replacement of hydrogen atoms or ions which are present here. Okay, and here in this case NaOH plus H2SO4 forming Na2SO4 plus H2O. So complete replacement of hydrogen ion here of acid, and due to this formation of a normal salt is taking place here. Second example, NaOH reacting with H2SO3 forming NaHSO3, sodium bisulfite plus water. Okay, and here complete displacement of H atoms or ions of acid, and that is why formation of sodium sulfite, a normal salt, is taking place here. Okay students, the next difference, acid salts contain a replaceable hydrogen ion in its molecule, whereas normal salt does not contain any replaceable hydrogen atom. Third point, exhibits all properties of an acid in solution. Why acidic salts exhibit properties of acid? Due to the presence of H plus ion. Okay students, due to the presence of H plus ion, acidic salt will exhibit properties of acid, whereas normal salt will not exhibit property of acid. Okay students, now examples of acids and acidic salts are here. So acids which are having just one replaceable hydrogen ion will not form acidic salt. Okay, one replaceable hydrogen ion containing acids will not form acidic salt. Acids which are having more than one replaceable hydrogen ion will form acidic salt. As you can see in the case of this H3PO4 phosphoric acid, it is having 3 replaceable hydrogen ions, and that is why it can form 2 acidic salts. So first is having one hydrogen atom only, and second acidic salt is having 2 hydrogen atoms or ions. So the name of this salt is disodium hydrogen phosphate, and this is sodium hydrogen phosphate. Disodium hydrogen phosphate, sodium hydrogen phosphate. Okay, students. Then normal salt examples. Normal salt of H3PO4 will be sodium phosphate. Sodium phosphate. Okay, students. These are some more examples, and the one more thing is there that this acid, this is organic acid, acetic acid. So in this acid, this is the replaceable hydrogen atom. These hydrogen atoms are not replaceable. This is the replaceable hydrogen atom. So acetic acid is having just one replaceable hydrogen atom, and after replacement of this hydrogen, the metallic ion will join acetic acid in this place. Okay, so the salt which will form here is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. This is acetate ion. Acetate. This is sodium ion. So acetate, sodium, sodium acetate. Okay, students. Then come to next page. Next type of salts are basic salts. So basic salts, according to definition, formed by partial replacement of hydroxyl radicals of a diacidic or triacidic base with an acid radical. Okay, so when all the replaceable hydroxyl ion of a base are not replaced, then basic salts are formed. Okay, so basic salts contains a cation, that will be metallic ion, and a hydroxyl ion, OH minus, and an anion. So this hydroxyl ion from the base and the anion, that will be the part of acid. Okay, students. So cation from base, hydroxyl ion from base, and anion from acid. Example, basic copper nitrate. This is here. So valency of this copper here is 2 plus, and 1 plus charge is counterbalanced by OH minus, and the other one is counterbalanced by nitrate ion. Okay, so Cu2 plus, 2 positive charge here with Cu, and 1 positive charge with OH minus ion, counterbalanced by OH minus ion, and the next one with nitrate ion. Okay, students. The next example is basic copper chloride, CuOHCl. Okay, students. So these are the type of salts, their definitions and example. So you have to learn at least one example of each type of salt with its name. Thank you.